Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your 3DS model and system version, so you pick compatible files. Once done, remove the SD and copy the entire card to your PC as a backup. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Make sure the SD has at least 100 MB free for new files. Then copy the boot. Firm and the Folium compatible payloads into the SD root and verify file names are exact so the console can find them on boot. Next, you create the boot structure the 3DS expects. If /boot or /boot/payloads are missing, make them now. Then copy the Folium payload file into that folder and ensure it uses the exact file name required by your boot manager. You edit the boot configuration so the manager launches Folium on start. This often means pointing to the payload file name and saving the config. Make sure file permissions and case sensitivity match, because the console enforces exact names. Finally, reinsert the SD and power on the console with the keys that trigger your boot manager so it tries to load Folium. You should see the Folium interface and be able to access the 3DS home menu, test navigation, and app launching to confirm stability. If it fails to load, make sure file names and folder paths are exact, run an SD integrity check from your PC, and try an alternate Folium payload version. Many issues come from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.